Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix lag in PUBG Mobile on Android and iOS. So basically, before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel, and now we can start. What you want to do is open PUBG and go to the settings. Now when you open the settings, you want to link a Twitter account if you're using iOS or a Google account if you're using Android, but don't unlink the Facebook account, because basically linking a Facebook account will cause a major lag issues on your device. So unlink the Facebook account if you have already Facebook linked to the game, and just link a Twitter or a Google account. The next step, what you want to do is go to the graphics tab and basically just set the graphics to smooth, and now set the frame rate to as high as possible. So for me it's extreme. I'm gonna set it as extreme, but don't play it at extreme while you're charging your phone, etc., because it says that the device will become too hot, or the game becomes choppy, etc. Then just lower the frame rate. So instead of extreme, just set it at ultra, or if you set the graphics at smooth and you have only a low, medium and high, then just set it at high. If your device is hot or the game becomes choppy, just set it at medium. The next, what you want to do is set the style to classic, disable the anti-aliasing, so set it to disable, and just set the auto adjust graphics to disabled. You don't want the game to change your settings. And now click on OK. Restart the game, and basically that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment.